Man, y'all see the vibe.
Cut it out, Frost. Cut it out, Frost.
This my third dose, this my third time speaking it. I know that I can't miss, I've been meaning it. You say that I'm too slick, the way I'm reading it. Time don't stop, it still ticks, but I've been beating it. Easily make these hits, I know I'm too legit. Counting up these days. Thinking about the old times when I haven't shit. I know that they
Today we're gonna have three different locations for this first one. I got my board right there, make sure you guys follow. But we're here. I'm gonna wait for probably a couple more people, see how many more other people come. We're gonna pop out to the next one. Y'all know my meets, we'll be doing cruises and stuff like that. But we're gonna say what's up to everybody.
Man, y'all see the vibe. Got hella people outside. We right here at right off Avenue O. Yeah, we about to fucking move around to Cal Park. You know we got 219 Davo.
I just don't know what the fuck to get. How old are you?
A year and a half? A year and like 5 months?
Thank you, bro.
This shit look tough as hell. Not the welds on this bitch though. CTSV type shit. We got all type of crazy shit outside. Oh yeah, but y'all see what's going on. We got some hot shit outside. After this, we finna move around to Cal Park and then end up in Whiting. That boy Jerry went SRT. He went straight on these motherfuckers. This bitch tough too. He got the little drag pack on this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, check out this bitch. His other boy Jerry too. That bitch tough. All the VQ boys. I caught at the crib, forgot the camera, all type of shit else. We was just all over the place. I really wasn't even planning on vlogging. So we about to end up at Doty, matter of fact.
We're going to the entrance over here. Because this one, the police station's right there. They see a lot of cars before. Yeah.
Man, we at Doty now. See, got him. Y'all see the whole vibe. All type of crazy shit outside. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. There ain't no way you can't fuck with the content. I wouldn't even from the vlog, but there ain't no way you can't vlog this shit. Bro got his shit smoked twice already. I ain't gonna lie. That shit hard though, but he got his shit smoked.
Shared, bro. My shirt got hungry.
That shit was crazy. Damn. Man, like, comment, subscribe, bro. It's all type of crazy shit outside. I really didn't even plan on vlogging this shit, but hey, how can you not vlog? Here we go. Dable acting bad.
Damn, Sal. Perfect. 100,000 on my. When I'm in a booth, bitch, I don't ever need no pen and pad. I can pull up the whip daily, I know I got niggas mad. You think I'm tripping now? Wait till I sign a deal, I'm on that ass. I got stars and all my cars and all my passengers be bad. I was stepping too damn hard and now my leg ain't got a cramp. Looking at a nigga change.